All right.
You know, you could use some famous people on your YouTube channel. Break your turn signal.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, have you ever been driving somebody else's car and you're used to your car and their turn signal lever's mounted on the other side of the steering column from yours, and you go to shift gears and you break off their fucking turn signal? Holy shit, that broke easy, didn't it? You're gonna have to get a new one of those.
Wow, it doesn't have the turn radius in the new one.
No. But it does or does not?
It doesn't. Plus it feels like you gotta turn it a whole bunch to get to go through the gears.
Put ornament action there. What do you think?
It's a bus.
Not just any bus, it's
The second cool bus.
yes.
Or is it the third? Was bus 68 before this one?
I don't remember who did you get? No, you got 68 after I got this.
Yeah, but Chris had it before me.
Right.
Sir Pekka.
Yes.
This thing does drive really nice.
Yeah, it's a good dude. I mean, for what I paid for it, you know, and drove it away.
So is this thing, well, I guess when we get up here, do we keep going straight or we turn?
We'll turn into the ranch because there's really no place. It's easier to make the right turn into the ranch, but you'll want to get all the way over to the left.
Hidden Valley Ranch?
Yes. Yeah.
Is there one of those green old trucks there?
Yes.
Alright, which one is it?
It's the last mailbox right there by that yellow pole up there. See it? Yeah. Yeah. So. Yep.
Oh, this will make things difficult.
Yep. Yeah, because you'll want to get all the way over.
I know. I found that out in the town like 2 years ago.
Oh yeah, that's right. You did.
And I had to shift gears too. We go fast, right?
Yeah.
I like it. This thing shifts like it's supposed to.
Yes.
Well,
You're good. You're good.
Sure?
Yes, you're good.
Like I'm good on the other side.
You're good. Just,
I don't want to go falling off the driveway here.
you got it.
Yeah, this thing does drive pretty nice. I like it.
Yeah. It's not a bad bus.
Honey, can we buy one? I got too many. As it is. And you gotta love the way an old mechanical diesel throttle out operates.
Mm-hmm. There's the Thomas. I guess we'll pull back up to the up by the garage. That way we can work on it and not have to deal with all that mud.
Alright, the lights work.
Mm-hmm. See how much does the door feel a lot more comfortable?
This thing's still really stiff.
Well,
You know what, old bus drivers probably have some really strong arms.
Yeah.
It's the right one for this thing. And not from other things.
not from other things. They're gonna be like,
Stop sign works.
yeah, they're gonna be like Quagmire and come out of the house with one arm that's like huge.
I do like these mirrors.
Yeah,
I
they're.
think we need to move that mirror bracket out a little bit so we get the mirrors out.
Okay.
Well, it's up to you. It's your bus.
Yeah, I mean, I've been able to see out of them fine, but
And that was one of the big reasons on the TC that I changed that bracket to here because of the line in the window.
oh yeah. How do the brakes feel to you? They feel amazing to me.
Oh yeah, I think they're perfect. That's the way they're supposed to be.
Oh yeah, so I didn't even outline on YouTube what was wrong with it.
It's a piece of I mean, we just fixed it.
Yeah, we just fixed it, so I guess I'll go out here. Ugh. So there's the master cylinder, and the rear seal on the master cylinder blew out. So, oh, hey, we got red warning lights. I like that. There you go, guys. Matts4290 in the Bluebird.